Hey guys, welcome back to Rainbow. So me, Matt, talking to you, the viewers. Hope you're all doing okay. And as I'm still in Birmingham, I thought I'd go up to the Birmingham town. Haven't actually been properly there for a good visit to a shop, explore around the town for a good couple of years. So for today I will go with my sister and see what it's like, hit the shops, have a look around the town. I know a lot of things have changed, like the new street station is now Grand Central, so I haven't properly had a good look at what's there. So yeah, I don't know how long this video is going to be, whether I'm going to film much, so pretty much I'm just going to start it, and if a video comes out of it, then hey, you've got a vlog. So I'm going to stop it there because I'm going to run down as they're waiting outside the house for me. So I shall see you soon. Some sort of flower show. London bus in Birmingham. Can't believe how much it's all changed.
Yeah. There's steps here, aren't there?
Yeah. What did that used to be?
I don't know.
Oh no, that's new. There was a conference centre there.
No, that's on the other side. This is the library. The arch round.
This is the new library. That's new to me, but it's been open how many years? Everywhere has literally changed in Birmingham. This used to be like a big car park. And if it's still there, there's a club on the corner that I used to go to. So I stopped for something to drink, and I think I've just pretty much paid £2.50 for milk with a shot of caramel, which I didn't even know how to make. Just a circle out of books. Reminds me of Harry Potter. See what you mean by saying like Harry Potter-esque?
Yeah.
Just need Dumbledore to walk through the door.
And it's got like, oh, it did have a flying ghost thing.
A flying goat?
Ghost.
Oh, ghost. Then?
Oh, yeah.
You ever borrowed a book from him?
Yeah.
Where is Space Odyssey? Odyssey? Maps of Birmingham. It has changed so much. What does this do? Outside now on the roof garden, I'm presuming. We're just taking selfies because what else do you do when there's like scenery? Look at that. Town with a view. so much building work being done everywhere. I mean, that's all I can see.
Right, we're going to go through here, we're going to go into Brindley Place, over onto the canal, down the canal, into the cube, that's the cube, we're going to go in the cube, have a look round, then through to the...
What's the cube?
It's at the top where the glass building is there.
Yeah.
That's a restaurant, it's Marco Pio White's restaurant. It's really nice, and there's apartment buildings and
Is
there's
the whole
restaurants.
building new, or was that something else? Because I can't
probably
remember
like-
seeing that.
Maybe about 10 years older, probably.
Oh, okay then.
And then into the mailbox, and that's where they do the BBC. They've got the BBC office.
So long since I walked down any canals.
It's not wide, it's usually wide.
Pretty though. So jack of boats, they can't be that hard to drive.
I've still done before.
Do you drive a boat?
No, I used to have a boat.
Oh. The ducks seem to be having a good time. What are they? Are they ducks? Swans? Geese? Is it goose and geese? Aren't goose? I don't know. I think I'm just stupid. Oh, Canadian goose. Version of Lovelock. Many people's love hearts locks. All right, okay. And all the way down here.
See if you can find mine one. What's your name?
Oh, how cute. My sister and her boyfriend is like still here, still going strong. So that place called the Cube, and there's like big people with there's like big hearts with people attached to them. There's one. They've got like big hearts. There's one up there that can't exactly take a picture of that unless you can fly. And they're all scattered around this building. Yeah, hold on, it's recording.
Do you want a picture as well?
So the new train station looks like they've just covered it in tin foil. And that's going to be very shiny on a hot summer's day. Very grand central. Very spacious. Oh my god, I have a Mac. Pit stop at Starbucks. Can't believe Krispy Kreme has changed to this. It used to be a whole conveyor belt thing. It's literally just this now. American candy heaven. It's like made out of jelly beans. Okay to come here if you like Vimto. Or jelly beans. Wow, look at size of this popcorn. That is huge. Sea salt and olive oil. You got sea salt or sweet and chili. Love Island again. The world has gone mad. I've never watched one episode. Why not so classy? It's in Selfridges. I'm back and I've had a nice day. The weather's been great as well. I thought it was going to rain, but thank God it didn't. I am back to Blackpool tomorrow, and I am going to show you what I bought. I didn't buy much, but may as well do a little shopping haul. I bought just like a plain t-shirt from Yours Clothing. I just like the colour, to be honest. It's quite long as well, so good to cover my curls. So yeah, that was only like £9, so not, what am I trying to say, good price. Yes, and then I popped into Primark because I can't really go anywhere without going to Primark. I bought these body and hair stencils, but I'm going to use them as like makeup swatches, so I can like take Instagram pics. If you don't follow me on Instagram, head over there. It's Rainbow Soul 17. Always happy to greet new followers. So I thought that'd be okay for like makeup swatches. Because the actual stencils, the makeup stencils, they are so expensive. I couldn't believe how much they are. So yeah, that was £1.50, I think. Yeah, £1.50. Then I bought Cupid Kiss lipstick, which I'm going to save for possibly a first try video. I don't know. And a metallic matte liquid lipstick. And some, actually I got this from Poundland, which was actually £2, some dry shampoo. It's got Smooth It, a frizz timer for 12 hours, so let's see if it actually does what it says on the tin. And then I went to Mac, because Grand Central now have a Mac store, and I was so happy. I got a bit excited when I seen it, so I just picked this up, a lipstick in, I did rip off the sticker, but I think it's Velvet Teddy. Is that a name of that shade? Velvet Teddy. It's only one of the mini ones though. That was £10, and I am going to do some sort of video comparing cheap to expensive lipsticks or makeup. I don't know. I'll think of some video to do. Then I went into Kiko. Oh my god, if there's a Kiko by you, they've got that offer again. If you buy 2 items in the sale, you get 2 items free. So huge savings there. So make sure you look out in your local Kiko Milano makeup store. I love that. Anyway, from there I bought Jelly Jungle waterproof mascara, but it's a coloured one in a like electric blue. I just thought the colour was so vibrant, and sometimes I think coloured mascaras don't really show up, but when I saw that colour I was like, wow, I'm hoping that's going to show up, so I'm going to do some makeup looks with that. So again, look out for them on Instagram. I am thinking about doing an Instagram giveaway on its own, so again, if you don't follow me, go over there and you'll see like new stuff that I post on there that I don't necessarily do videos on, because I did do a little Instagram video that anyway, go over there, you'll see what I mean. What else did I buy? Was that it? Yeah, so that's everything I bought, pretty much. Is there anything else? Yeah? Okay then. Didn't actually buy that much. So yeah. If you've enjoyed that video, then give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave any comments down below. So thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next video. So it's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.